Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to enable nearby sharing option in Windows 11. If you want to turn it on, you need to click right mouse button on icon with a start, and after that we need to go to settings. Then from the left panel we need to select system settings. It is very important to click on this one tab, because after that these settings will be displayed here. So now we need to go to nearby sharing, discoverability, received files, location settings. So I click on this one arrow, and on default nearby sharing is turned off. If you want to change it, you need to select one from available options. You have here my devices only option or everyone nearby. It depends on your preferences. I recommend you to check here everyone nearby or turn it off. Everything depends what action you want to do. So for example, I select here everyone nearby, and from this moment this option will be turned on, and here of course you can find location where your received files will be saved, and of course you can change it here if you want, and you can change your device discoverable name by clicking on the rename option, and then you can type here for example simple name, and I press save button. So in this way you can use nearby sharing in Windows 11. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.